Really?
Yeah. We have the biggest and the best around here.
Wow, this is awesome. It's manually operated.
Yes, it is. Staff operated.
Does it make a buzzing noise
Yeah.
if you? That is so cool. It's an Otis.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do a cab view.
Absolutely. It was built in 1927.
Wow. This is a beautiful elevator. Yeah, can we go up and down on it?
And I can close this if you want or not.
Oh, what is this? Is a second.
This is just to block this in case, like, usually if we have kids or drunk people who want to like touch this. But I like it open so you can see it as we move.
Okay, let's keep it open.
We're going up to the fourth floor, so this just determines the direction, and then this powers it. There's our top floor, and I can go down to our basement floor.
Okay. That is so cool.
And then we'll go back up to the lobby.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you. I'm just gonna
Right.
show this here.
Here, I'm gonna get out real quick.
That's
You can take as many pictures as you want.
Yeah. That is. So this is from 1920.
1927. That's when it was built.
Wow.
And it's pretty much all original. They upgraded the power a little bit and some safety features, but other than that, everything's all original.
That's so cool. I love that wooden cab. It just feels so classy.
Yeah, it's really nice.
All right, I'm gonna step on out now. Well, thank you for the ride.
Yeah, absolutely. Anytime.